Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Today I'm still working on my series, the increase stitches. I have done videos for the knit front and back stitch. I'll put the link above, and I'll also put a link down in the description of this video. I've also done a video for the make one left and right stitches. And now I'm going to be showing you yarn over stitches. Yarn overs are done when you want to increase a stitch and it will leave a hole, and most of the time it's decorative, like for lace knitting. There's two ways to do this, just kind of like there are two main stitches, knit and purl, but it's really simple. When you get to the point where you want to create a yarn over, all you do is you take your yarn from the front to the back over your knitting needle like that, and then you do the next stitch, say it's just knit, and there is your yarn over. You can see there's a hole there, and when you go on to knit, you'll have that hole in your knitting, and it's very pretty, very decorative. There is another way to do this yarn over stitch. Say like that was the way to do it if your next stitch that you have to do is a knit stitch. But say that you have to purl. You got to do a yarn over, then purl the stitch. How would you take the yarn over, and then you have to bring your yarn to the front to purl? When you do it like that, your yarn's in the back. So the way to do it is you still bring your yarn from front to back, but you continue on and just continue to bring the yarn under the needle to the front to create the yarn over, and then you go ahead and purl your next stitch. And that is how it looks. So it looks just the same, but you just had to bring your yarn to the front so that you could purl that next stitch. And those are two ways to do yarn overs, depending on what your next stitch is to do, and that creates an extra stitch in your knitting, and it also creates a decorative hole. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please press the thumbs up button. Have any comments, please list them below. I love to hear your comments and questions. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this.